Chapter 5. He, she. Learn with me. Read and understand. Anant is a boy. Meenal is a girl. Anant and Meenal are brother and sister. Ajay Kumar is a man. He is Anant's and Meenal's father. He is married to Jyoti. She is a woman. She is the mother of Anant and Meenal. Ajay Kumar and Jyoti are husband and wife. Anant is their son and Meenal is their daughter. The word in blue, boy, brother, man, father, husband, and son belong to the he group. The words in pink, girl, sister, woman, mother, wife, and daughter belong to the she group.